Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're here for the first time, my name is Anne, and if you have been here already, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I prime my eyelids. I think this is one of the most important steps when it comes to applying eyeshadow, and I've never done a video where I really in-depth explain how I do this. So in today's video, I'm going to show you like each step on how I prep my eyelids, and also I'm going to kind of explain why I do these steps and show you like a few different options on products which really work for me. So let's get started. So the first thing I do whenever I do my makeup is do my eyebrows, and after I do my eyebrows I always go in with concealer underneath my eyebrow. Now I think this is definitely a really important step when it comes to priming your eyelids, because it will kind of make your brow look really sharp, but also it will create a sort of highlight underneath your brow. So this is definitely a step which I feel like kind of includes in the priming situation. So I'm gonna show you how I do this. So I'm gonna start with cleaning up the line underneath my eyebrow, and for this I really like to use the MAC Cosmetics Pro Longwear Concealer in the shade NC15. I think you can use any concealer that you like, but I personally really like this concealer because it has like a really nice coverage. It has a nice like dry texture. It stays perfectly in place. It's just one of my favorites. I've been using like so many different ones, but this is definitely my favorite one. And if you don't have this concealer, you can definitely use a concealer that you have at home, but I would suggest to go a little bit lighter than your own skin color so you can get that like highlighted effect underneath your eyebrow. So I'm taking my favorite brush for this, which is the MAC 242 brush, and I'm gonna apply this underneath my eyebrow to really sharpen up the edges of my brow and also to clean it up. Now of course I will be doing the same steps at the other side of my eye as well, which I'm gonna show you really quickly as well. So now that I'm done with highlighting my eyebrow, I'm gonna apply some eyeshadow primer. And the first tip I want to give you guys is that you have to make sure that you don't have any eye cream on your eyelid. Also no face cream, nothing. Best is just to have like a really dry eyelid. This way your eye cream or face cream, whatever you have on your eyelid, will not kind of make your primer crease. This is a really important step. I used to work at a makeup store, and a lot of people have like creasing eyeshadow all the time, and they applied their eye cream before applying eyeshadow. So this is definitely something you don't want to do if you want to prevent like that your eyeshadow is gonna crease. Now if you have never used a eyeshadow primer before applying eyeshadow, there are 3 benefits which I think are most important. One of them is that it will make your eyeshadow last longer. Also, if you have a primer that I will be showing you in this video, it will also remove redness from your eyelid. And also it can make your eyeshadow look more pigmented. And I really think that I would never skip priming my eyelids. I think it's such an important step when it comes to eyeshadow. It's the same like when you are a painter, you want to start like on a blank paper to like start painting. You want it to be clean, you want it to be perfect, and that's the same when it comes to your eyes. You don't want any redness, you don't want to see any veins. Not really sure if I'm pronouncing that right, but you just want to start with like a really nice blank canvas to start like painting on. Now if you are following me for a while, you know that the MAC Cosmetics Soft Ochre Paint Pot is my absolute favorite eyeshadow primer, but there are 2 more which I also really like, which I want to show you. They're kind of similar to the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. Now the first one is the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion in the shade Eden. And the other one, which I also really like, is by Smashbox, which is called the Photo Finish Lid Primer in the shade Light. So I really think that the MAC one is my favorite, but now and then I switch to the Urban Decay one and the Smashbox one, and I think those are also really nice. So to apply this, you can either use your fingers or you can use a brush, and my favorite brush to apply this is the Sigma Beauty Precision Angled P84 brush. I just really like how it applies on the eyelid. It doesn't leave any stripes on your skin, it just makes it look really flawless. Then now after I have applied my eyeshadow primer, I'm gonna set it with a little bit of powder. I do this straight after applying the primer because a eyeshadow primer can crease as well. So to lock it in place, I'm gonna use this Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit powder in the shade Banana. And to apply this, I'm taking a Sigma Beauty tapered highlighter brush in the number F35. So I'm using a very tiny amount and I'm just gonna dip a little bit of the product on the eyelid to make sure that it's locked in place and it will go nowhere. Then now the next thing, which I always do, I don't always show it in my videos. Sometimes I do, but sometimes I don't include it. But this is a step that I never skip. And this is applying a matte white color underneath the brow bone. So today I'm gonna use this white eyeshadow from this ViseArt palette, which is called the 08 Editorial Palette. And this is just a really nicely pigmented white eyeshadow. And why I'm doing this is because I have a eye look on right now. And you can see that highlight right here. And that's kind of what I want to achieve. So this is what I start with. And I just feel like when I start blending shades in my crease, as I have right here, it just gets a really nice transition towards my brow. And that's just because I used a white shade first. So I think this is really important. So I'm going to use a flat brush and I'm going to press this right underneath the highest point of my eyebrow towards this area. And then I'm just going to tap a little bit of the product to make sure that it's looking as light as possible. And you can use any white eyeshadow that you have at home. You don't have to use this white particular shade from this palette, but this is one of my favorites. I think the ViseArt eyeshadows are really good and really pigmented. And then the last step is applying brow gel. I always do this after I use that white shade underneath the brow, because if I would do it before that, the white eyeshadow might get stuck in my brows and it will look a little bit messy and a little bit gray. So I always apply some brow gel after applying that highlight underneath the brow. So the brow gel that I'm using is from Anastasia Beverly Hills and it's called the Tinted Brow Gel in Chocolate. And that's it. This is how I prime my eyelids. Even though I don't really show it in every video, I do feel like it's really important. But I don't want to like include it in every video because it's kind of like a lot of steps and it will make my tutorials even longer. So I definitely felt like I needed to film this. And I will also do a video where I go in depth on how I apply my lashes if you guys are interested. So yeah, I really hope you guys found this video helpful. Let me know in the comments if you learned something new, if you are gonna add some of these techniques, or if you already knew all of these things. Let me know in the comments. I really hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed. This is really helpful for my YouTube channel, and hopefully I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys!